Hey my loves, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a beautiful birthday glam I recorded for you guys. So let's get right into this video. So I'm wiping down my client face with the witch hazel, and then I sprayed her face to get ready for my skin prep. I always do skin prep first. I took the Pond's moisturizer. I took the dry skin one because her face was a little dry. And for the two primers today, I did take the e.l.f. Power Grip, which was the orange reddish one, and the Wet n Wild matte primer. I love these two primers together. After I did the whole moisturizing and skin prep, I did go ahead and spray her face with the Morphe spray just to kind of seal all the moisturizing and primer to her skin. And then I gave her a fan to just let everything dry down. So I went ahead and cleaned up her eyebrows just a little bit to remove any hairs I didn't want around her eyebrows when I go to conceal and fill them in. And then I took my Got To Be glue gel, the yellow one, and I put that on her eyebrows just to kind of set them in place. And then I went ahead and took my Morphe Java pencil to fill in her eyebrows. Now I took my concealers to clean her eyebrows. I think this one was a LA Girl concealer. I actually love these concealers when it goes to like cleaning the eyebrows because I feel like it does a good job, because I don't want the concealer to be too thick sometimes because of the eye look we was going for.
Catch up on the AR, how you did that? Track out, lift up when you take off, how you did that? You put switches up on your blinkies, how you did that? Your LV back turned to a legit, how you did that? I seen that duck turn to a Louis, how you did that? That look like a brand new booty, how you did that? You got face on.
So as you guys can see, the eyebrow is kind of halfly covered by the hair. I do still like to fill in the front and clean up the front of the eyebrows just to give that illusion. It looks really good because it looks like she have an eyebrow under the hair. So yeah. So this is the look we're going for, y'all. But she didn't want the glitter liner too thick. We did kind of do it thin. It was very, very pretty. I took my Morphe palette. I don't know the name of this one, but I will link it down below once I find it. I took those 3 brown shades. I didn't really want it too in depth. I just wanted to just apply brown shadow to the eyes and just focus on the lid. This is to focus on the lid. And to cut the crease for the lid, I did take my Milani, like the lightest shade in Milani. I couldn't find my other concealer, so I just took whatever I had to cut her crease, and it was perfect. And to cut her crease, I did take like an angled brush. So I did give her the fan so the concealer can dry down, and I also pat it down as well. So I applied the shadows, the nude, the browns, the reddish orange, and then I blended out with the same shades I took for the transition shade at the end. Now guys, I'm taking my lash glue that I love for lashes and glitter. And this glitter I got from Amazon, actually. I'll link that down below as well. Or, again, everything is in my storefront where you guys can place an order. It's not a chunky glitter. It's very fine glitter. This was so pretty. Do not kill me, y'all. I do not remember the foundations I took, but I do know it was one NARS and one L'Oreal. So yeah, I'm so sorry guys. I was mixing and totally forgot about that. But oh my gosh, guys, don't kill me. I don't remember the concealer neither. Wow. Yeah, I was really just in my zone when I was working. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I just wanted to really focus on the makeup, so I didn't pick up to even remember the products. But the concealer and foundation, I don't remember. I'm sorry, but I do remember like the powders and everything once we get to that part.
Come with a classic, they gon' ride years later and say it's a sleeper. The ears are red, the panty is real. Michael clients for a feature. Deposit the money to Brenda Letitia, Linda Felicia. She came for me twice, I didn't even know her once. She know I'm a pleaser. 42 millimeter was made in Geneva. Yeah, I probably should go to Yeshiva. We went to Ibiza. Yeah, I probably should go live with Yeezy. I need me some Jesus. But soon as I started confessing my sins, he wouldn't believe it. Sins, I got sins on my mind and some M's. Got a lot of M's on my mind and my friends. Yeah, I keep my friends on my mind. I'm in love with two girls on top.
So I always get the question, how do I get false under eye? And the key is to blend before you apply powder. Blend the creases under the eyes with the brush and then you apply the powder. And I took Anastasia Deep Peach and Makeup Revolution banana powder, and I mixed those two and applied with the brush. And then I took my powder puffer and I applied it where I wanted to just chisel out her nose and where I wanted to bake. So now I'm taking my deep bronzer from Juvia's Place to just bronze up her face. And for blush today, I did take my Juvia's eyeshadow palette and I took that brown and orange shade to put for her blush today, guys.
Now blow ain't missing. I'm dropping hit after hit, I'm just chilling. But I send it hit, I chill my trip. Bigger the business, the bigger the office. I fuck around and tell me a shred and I call up. They call for my artists, they making me office. I don't even bargain, I start from the bottom. I lost a Ferrari, lost Vegas, Nevada. I woke up the following day and went harder. I'm cracking my shit, now they see that I'm smarter. I gotta get money.
Okay guys, now I'm taking my Wet n Wild pencil to just kind of line her waterline, and then I took the colors I took for her crease and transition shade and just smoke that out. And I'm just going back to apply more bronzer to her face. So for her lips, I took the Wet n Wild Simmer Brown pencil, and then I took the LA Girl Cocoa pencil as well, just to kind of blend it out. So I took these two NYX matte lippies for her lip before I applied the gloss. And the gloss I applied on top was a NYX Fortune Cookie and a clear gloss just to kind of blend everything together. And now to set the powders under her eyes, I took my MAC NW55 and MAC Dark Mineralized powder to just kind of give that flawless under eye. As you guys can see, her face looks so pretty. I feel like this is when everything comes together. This is like literally my favorite part, when I wipe this powder away. Love it. She was feeling herself, period. So now I'm taking my Morphe spray to spray down her face, and then I sprayed on the brush as well and pat everything down. Apply my Fenty Diamond Bomb highlighters. Favorite highlighters, y'all. I love that it gives no cast. That is exactly why I apply it on everyone. And then I applied mascara under her eyes just to kind of give her bottom lash that more full look. So now I am spraying her face, guys, with the Juvia's Place setting spray. I love this spray. I don't know, I need to get myself one. I just like the way it makes the skin skin look right after I spray it. And then I took my One Size spray. Of course, I made her hold her breath because that spray is so tough, y'all. So tough. And I applied a lot because she was going out all night. But that is the completed look. My client looks so beautiful. She left it, I left it. But I will drop more videos for you guys, so don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.